Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, and today's project we are installing this little puppy right here. It's Auxbeam amber light. It's gonna go into on the top of my bull bar, which is right here. So it's gonna look pretty sweet. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward install. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so as you can see, I open up the top cover and then my the grill right here, and then I fish through the wire. So now I'll run the wire already underneath, and then all I have to do is just connect this to the light, and then connect the battery, and then connect the relay box, and then run the switch to inside. And then, like I said, I have a pillar switch pot, so I just have to figure out which one I want to use as the on and off switch. So let's get to it. Alright guys, both lights are attached to the Jeep on the bull bar. Your next step is to attach all the wires and hook it up, everything, and then run it to the battery, and then run it everything to the inside for the on and off switch, and it shouldn't take too long. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm just doing a test run. I'm just going to hook up the red wire to the positive and the black wire to negative. And we have the switch right here. As you can see, it's blink red. So let's see if it's run. So, oh, look at that. I just play around a little bit, so make sure it's touched. But as you can see in the camera, amber is on, so light works. So that means we did the wiring right, and now we just have to hook everything up. All right. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and that was pretty simple and easy install. All right, if you guys like the video, hit that like button, and if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. So until next time, and I will see you guys on the trail.